It's cloudy outside right now. And I just came to check on the washing machine. I forgot to turn it off. Still 14 minutes are remaining. It has started to rain just right now. So, so today is 23rd of June and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I just came out right now here. The washing machine was turned on, so it's going to stop in about 7 minutes. So I thought I would just sit right here and record one video. By the time this finishes, I'll be done making this video. I don't have any topic to speak on right now, but I will just tell what I did today until now. So today I just searched for I'm stuck on a decision to invest whether to invest in the Apple ecosystem or a normal Windows one for my college laptop and all other gadgets like mobile and headphones, etc. So for Apple, I was thinking to go for maybe the M4 Air or M5 Air with 24 gigabytes of RAM and half a TB or else 1 TB storage. And for a phone, anything would work just fine if it at least has a good camera for me to record. I would be satisfied with the A series of Galaxies 2 if I could get my hands on them. If it is an Apple device or maybe a flagship Samsung, even better, and that's okay, not a big issue. But for the laptop, I was a bit skeptical to choose Windows because the Apple provides a bit more functionality for music production and filmmaking from what I've heard, and I would probably like to invest in that. But from what I've also heard that in colleges Windows is more preferred because the college faculty and the professors also are majorly Windows users. So not sure how it will work out in my case, but I do really want to get into music production and filmmaking, a bit of filmmaking, so that I can keep improving my video making skills. Definitely better from the one I'm making right now. Yeah, so that's the goal. Nothing much productive today. I was just relaxing. It's raining outside right now. And I'm sitting below this, what do you call it, shed. Still 5 minutes are remaining. I'll sit here and wait for it to finish. That was all for today. Bye. I forgot to take out these sarees. They were dry and now they're again wet.